Graham Huguet with My House Design Build Team here in Port Moody at a project we call Shades of Grey. This is an interior renovation, the main floor of this home, along with outdoor living space, and we're excited to share it with you. We've had an amazing team, great clients. We're really proud of this project.
We're here in the living room where our clients wanted to update their existing fireplace. It was off-centered to start, so we moved it over, centered it to their opening, and we added quartz surround to their brand new gas fireplace. In the kitchen, we added all new LED pot lights. Over the island, we decided to do 3 hanging pendants and 1 over the dining room table. Our main focus on this renovation was the 48-inch gas range. We decided to go with white cabinetry along the perimeter, and we accented it with a gray island. We went with a 3-inch mitered quartz countertop on the island for extra detail and just a simple 1.5 inches on the perimeter in gray. We decided to go with a paneled fridge as well as a dishwasher for a more cohesive, seamless look. The kitchen is definitely the heart of the home in this household. We took out all the flooring on the main floor and added beautiful acacia wood. We repainted all the walls as well as replaced all the moldings. In the laundry room, we took their existing stacked washer and dryer and pushed them up against the left wall. We added a quartz countertop above for added workspace. In the powder room, we took their old existing pork chop countertop and replaced it with a floating vanity with quartz countertop. The client's main focus of this renovation project was the outdoor living space. We added a 20 by 30 polished concrete deck. As well, we added post and glulam beams with glass roof structure to finish off the space.